Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to another Vlogmas video. You guys, we've missed our first day. Well, I'm gonna recap and explain to you why we've missed a day. So basically, long story short, what happened was I had a really great day on Thursday, which I will insert clips as we talk, but had a busy day at work. Went and dropped some stuff off to my parents because I took the Xlivlovesmakeup there earlier in the week. My dad was like, can you bring his hide, because he has like a hide to hide in, that's what a hide is, and like a scoop to scoop the poop out. So I took that over there and I picked up my Colourpop parcel, which I will insert the clip of me opening it here. Alright, so this is my Colourpop order that just arrived. So some of the stuff's Hazel's. This is Hazel's. Thanks a latte. Lovely. What else is Hazel's? Not very much. That's Hazel's. This must be Hazel's. She got some of my exfoliator that I liked. But all of this is mine. So I got, don't know if I can open this with one hand. This was free, by the way. It's like a pressed glitter called Island Hopping. This is the thing I'm kind of most excited for. I can't quite remember how to say this. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. I want to say it's like a Huanja or something like that. It's the things that you use like on your face like that. It's very attractive. Anyway, I got the Pretty Fresh tinted moisturizer, and I got the hydrating concealer from the Pretty Fresh line. Very excited about those. I also got the Pretty Fresh Prime and Set kit. I was gonna say Prime and Set kit, which you get a sponge, the primer, and the setting spray. And then, oh my gosh, I got so much stuff. I got the Later Hater Spot Treatment, which is just like, you have like the alcohol on top and the powder on the bottom and use it on your pimples. And then finally, I got the Soak It Up Hyaluronic Mask. After I opened up the Colourpop parcel, which I haven't tried anything from, we'll try something from it in my next vlog. I got home, played some Stardew, and then I went out for dinner at Spicy House, which is my favorite restaurant. I'm just gonna overlay clips as I'm talking because I filmed really short clips because I was like trying to focus on being out. So went to Spicy House, which is like a really yummy Chinese place on Dominion Road if you guys are curious where it is. I'm really puffed because I've just been like running around the house doing laundry and stuff. But anyway, after Spicy House we went to the mall. I got free muffins from Muffin Break. I forgot to vlog that. Got 6 free muffins. Some guy was like, do you want some muffins? And I was like, okay. And like the whole box, like, yep. So I took all these muffins, took them to work for morning tea the next day. But the real issue was I left my camera in Hazel's car. Hazel worked late yesterday, so I only got the camera back on Friday, which is the vlog of the, this is Friday's vlog that you're watching. I only got my camera back on like Friday at like 7 or like 6:30, and I didn't have time to edit the vlog to get up for the previous day. So here we are with the double vlog bonanza. I don't really have that much content in this vlog because obviously I didn't have my camera for like a whole day from like, yeah, Thursday at like 8 o'clock till 8 o'clock on Friday. So I just have a couple of clips here and there. I'm gonna turn you over to the Friday clips and then I'll be back to conclude the vlog. But I had pizzas for dinner and I decided to film a little time-lapsey thing of me cooking the pizzas. And yes, I do weigh the ingredients that I put on the pizzas. I'm just telling you this now. So you'll see me turn around in the time lapse or the however I edit it. You see me turn around quite a lot. I'm weighing my food that I put on, so I'm just going to tell you now so that I don't forget. I have 60 grams of cheese, like Edam cheese. I have 50 grams of champagne ham, 50 grams of smoked chicken, and then 25 grams of salami on my pizza. And then I also just add maybe like 10 grams of mozzarella in 2 different layers, maybe like 20 grams of mozzarella if I'm being honest with you guys. Usually I'd make it on a wrap, which like cuts the calories of the like base part in half, but this time, because there's 4 of us eating, we had 4 bases. Normally we only get 2 and I'll just have a wrap. So this time I had like a proper pizza base. So yeah, that's what's on my pizza, in case you're wondering. Oh, and I put on 1 rasher of bacon cut up. I always put the bacon on halfway through because otherwise, so you fry the bacon, excuse me, par fry the bacon so it's like you know how bacon's just like soggy but cooked, so you're not going to get food poisoning, to that state, and then you just like chop it up, and then you sprinkle it on halfway through the cooking process, and then it means that it's not going to like sweat on your pizza. You're welcome. If you have a problem with bacon sweating on your pizza, half cook it first and then put it on halfway through your pizza. Anyway, I'm going to let you guys watch the pizza clips, and I also got my first Christmas gift, which is really, really exciting, yesterday from one of my parents. So I'm going to roll those clips. Enjoy.
Go and watch the race, boys. The church claim.
Got my first Christmas present from school today, so, oh god, it's heavy when you're not actually trying to carry it properly. Got this lovely pink gin, my parents know me very well, and this cute little Christmas tree ornament, which is not going to focus on. And then I think there's just like a chocolate Santa, and then a card, which is, I always love cards, so got that. And then yeah, marshmallow Santa, oh yeah, and then somebody was giving out lollipops, so I took one. But no, how nice is that? I'm absolutely stoked. My favorite. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of this vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I apologize that I missed a day. Like, I didn't miss a day, but I missed an upload, if that makes sense. I did vlog both days, I just didn't have my camera to edit the clips, which is really frustrating, but such is life. That's what happens when you don't look after your property and leave it in your friend's car when she goes to work. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog nonetheless. Hopefully it was like a long one. I feel like you guys have been, I've been neglecting you guys and giving you guys the shortest vlogs ever. But I will see you guys tomorrow with another Vlogmas video. Bye!